Good morning, my dear children. Myself, Miss Chelsea Labre, and today we are going to study subject mathematics for standard 3rd. So students, in the last chapter, that means from your first combined book, we have studied tables, right? We have studied tables from 2 to 20, right? Yes. So today we are going to start with a new lesson from our new book, that is combined book number 2. So students, this is combined book number 2, okay, for standard 3rd. And today we are going to start teaching with the first chapter, that is multiplication, okay? Yes. So please open your page number 59 from your combined book. So here in the book it is given table of 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So first of all, we are going to revise these tables. Okay. Yes. तो बच्चों पहले हम टेबल 5, 6, 7 और 8, 9 का रिवीजन करेंगे. ओके. बच्चों पहले ब्लैक बोर्ड पर हम 5 का टेबल लिखेंगे. ओके. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. And 5 10s is 50. Okay students, these are table of 5. Okay. First of all, we have to write the digit 5. Then we have to put a multiplication sign. Then comes number 1. And after that, we are going to write it is equal to sign. Okay. तो बच्चों ये रहा टेबल ऑफ 5. आई होप यू ऑल नो व्हाट इज द टेबल ऑफ 5. ओके. सो रिपीट बिहाइंड मी. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s is 50. ओके. यस. तो बच्चों अब हम दिखेंगे 6 का टेबल. ओके. तो अब हम ब्लैक बोर्ड पर 6 का टेबल लिखेंगे. ओके. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. And 6 tens is 60. Students, understood? This is a table of 6. Okay? ये टेबल किसका है? 6 का. पहले हम 6 नंबर लिखते हैं, बाद में मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन लिखते हैं और उसके बाद नंबर आएगा 1 एंड आएगा इज इक्वल टू और फाइनल आंसर आएगा 6. ओके? यस. सो नाउ वी हैव टू रिपीट बिहाइंड मी टेबल ऑफ 6. ओके? 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. And 6 tens is 60. Okay, students? Now we are going to study the table of 7 and 8. Okay? Yes. So, students, now we are going to see table of 7 and table of 8. Okay? अब हम देखेंगे 7 का टेबल और 8 का टेबल. ओके? मैंने पहले से ही क्वेश्चंस लिखे हुए हैं. ओके? यस. So now you have to tell me the answers of these tables. I hope you all know what are the answers of these tables. Okay? So now tell me what is 7 ones are? 7 ones is 7. Right? Now who will tell me what is 7 twos are? Very good. 7 twos is 14. Now, who will tell me what is 7 threes are? 7 threes is 21, right? Now tell me what is 7 fours are? 7 fours is 28, right? 7 fives is 35. 7 six is 42, right? 7 sevens is 49. 7 eights is 56, right? 7 nines is 63. And tell me what is 7 tens are? Very good. 7 tens is 70, right? Understood? 7 tens is 70. Now we are going to write the answers of table 8. अब हम लिखेंगे इस 8 टेबल के आंसर्स. ओके? तो मुझे बताओ what is 8 ones are? 8 ones is 8, right? अब मुझे कौन बताएगा what is 8 twos are? 8 twos is 16. What is 8 threes are? मुझे कौन बताएगा 8 threes are का आंसर क्या होता है? वेरी गुड. 8 threes का आंसर होता है 24, राइट? अब मुझे कौन बताएगा व्हाट इज 8 fours are? यस. इफ यू डोंट नो कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज 4 eights are? 4 eights का आंसर क्या होता है? 32, बराबर. तो आंसर आएगा. What is 5 8s और 8 5s? वेरी गुड. 8 5s का आंसर होगा 40. बराबर. What is 8 6s? 8 6s is 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s का आंसर होगा 64. Understood? And what is the answer of 8 9s? Yes, 8 9s का आंसर होगा 72. और 8 10 का आंसर होगा 80. Understood? So now you will repeat these tables behind me. Okay? 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. And 7 10s is 70. Okay? Now repeat behind me this table. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. And 8 10s are 80. Okay? Yes. So students, now we are going to study the next table, that is table of 9. Okay? Yes. So first we will write all questions. Okay? So students, here I have written table of 9. Okay? So now we are going to write its answer. Okay? So tell me, what is 9 1s are? 9 1s is 9. 9 2s is 18. 9 3s is 27. 9 4s is 36. 9 5s is 45. 9 6s is 54. Understood? 9 7s is 63. 9 8s is 72. 9 9s is 81. And 9 10s is 90. Okay? So students, now we are going to solve the sums based on multiplication. Okay? Let's solve. students, here on the blackboard, I have written question. Okay? So now you have to tell me the answers. Can you tell me what is 3 6 are? Tell me. Tell me what will be the answer of 3 6 are, or else we can also say that 6 3 का आंसर क्या होता है? Yes. What is 6 3 are? Very good. 6 3 का आंसर होता है 18. बराबर? Now, who will tell me what is the answer of 2 2s are? Yes. Recollect. याद करने की कोशिश कीजिए. 2 2s is 4. Okay? So our answer is 4. Here we will write 4. 2 2s is 4. 3 6 is 18. Okay? So students, now tell me what is 8 3s are? कौन मुझे बताएगा 8 3s का आंसर क्या होता है? 8 3s is 24. बराबर? So we will write here 24. Understood? Yes. So students, now we will solve some more sums based on multiplication. Okay? Yes, you can open page number 61. We are going to solve question number 1. Okay? That is, arrange the numbers vertically and multiply. Students, here they have given us the number. Now we have to arrange this number in vertical form. Okay? Here the numbers are given to us. We have to arrange this number in vertical form and then multiply. Okay? So first we will arrange this number in vertical manner. That is 3 multiplication sign 4 and the answer. Understood? So who will tell me what is 3 4s are? 3 4s is 12. Understood? Now we will arrange this number also in vertical manner. Okay? That is 2 multiplication sign number 8 and final answer. So who will tell me what is 2 8s are? Yes, 2 8s का आंसर होता है 16. बराबर? तो हम लिखेंगे 16. Okay? Understood? This number will be given to us. We have to arrange this number in vertical manner and the answer will come. Okay? Now let us solve the question number 2. Okay? So students, as you can see these questions on the blackboard, we have to arrange this number in horizontal manner and then multiply. Okay? We have to arrange this number in horizontal manner and then multiply. Okay? So how we write the tables in that form? We have to write these numbers. Okay? So we will write as 3 multiplication sign number 7, and now who will tell me what is 3 sevens are? Very good. 3 sevens is 21. Okay? Now we will solve this one. 5 multiplication sign number 6, and the final answer will be 5 6 is 30. Understood? Yes. So students, here we have arranged the number in horizontal manner and then multiplied it. Okay? So students, today we have studied more in detail about the first chapter of maths subject. Okay? Yes. And for your homework, you have to complete page number 59, 60 and 61 till question number 2. Okay? Yes. Thank you.